Hello everyone, welcome to Marketing 454 Advertising and Promotion. This is chapter 13. In this chapter, let's talk about support media. Support media in advertising and promotion. Okay? We cover everything you need to know about support media. So, what are support media? What are support media? There's a variety of non-traditional channels to deliver communications and promote products and services. Okay? Non-traditional channels. Right? We call them support media. They go by other names like alternative media, below the line media, non-measured media, non-traditional media, right? Or we call them support media. They all mean the same thing. Okay? Support media industry. Okay? First one of the support media or non-traditional media is out-of-home advertising. This is one of the traditional support media, out-of-home advertising, or OOH, right? Like billboards, right? Street furniture, I see ads on street furnitures. Place-based media, based on certain place, and transit, on buses, subways, trains, okay? There are certain factors that are contributing to the success of out-of-home advertising, OOH. Right? It's used by a broad client base. Many companies, many businesses, they just love, just enjoy, they just want to use those outdoor media. Okay, and they have the ability to remain innovative through technology, like billboards, for example. Used to be just vinyl, big piece of vinyl, right? Now they have electronic billboard, basically like a gigantic big TV screen there out there. They can have ads rotating, changing, like every 6 seconds or so. Okay, or I think they have normally they have like 6, 7 different ads rotating on the billboard, electronic billboard. Right? There are controversy over billboards. Right? 46 states right, have banned cigarette advertising on billboards. Okay? Banned cigarette advertising on billboards. Okay? This is a chart showing the out-of-home media or outdoor advertising today comprises of diverse cross-section of formats. Let's look at them. Right? Out-of-home media. You have billboards, okay, bulletins, spectacular displays, wall murals on the wall in the city, for example, vinyl wrapped posters, junior posters, they're all part of them, like media, billboards like. The street furniture on bus shelters, okay? Urban furnitures, kiosk in shopping malls, for example. Bus benches in bus station, bus stop. Bike racks can be placed to put some ad on. Okay? Place-based media, like arenas and stadium. Okay? Health clubs, gas stations, right? Restaurants and bars, right? Office buildings, medical offices, cinema, right? Convenience stores, right? Shopping malls, to the all place-based. Transit media advertising, right? Buses, airports, mobile billboards, right? Subway and rails, right? Ride share like Uber and Lyft. Taxi displays, okay? Wrapped vehicles, they wrap the whole vehicles with advertising message. They're all transit. These are all types of outdoor advertising or out-of-home media. Out-of-home media, okay? And this table shows the top 10 out-of-home advertising categories based on 2021 year-end outdoor expenditures. Okay? Ranked number one are the ad for outdoor advertising, miscellaneous local services, and amusement parks. Okay? Retail, second place, retail. a lot of retail ads. 3, media and advertising. Okay? 4, restaurants. 5, government, politics, and organizations. 6, public transportation, hotels and resorts. Okay? 7, financial services. Okay? 8, insurance and real estate. Okay? You can say that insurance is also financial services. Okay? 9, schools, camps, and seminars. Okay? Number 10, automotive dealers and services. Okay? These industries, these companies, this type of companies, they tend to use outdoor advertising more often. Okay? Out-of-home advertising, OOH, right? Digital out-of-home medium, like a video advertising networks, right? Or digital billboards, digital billboards. Right? Billboards are no longer limited to standard size, as we see by the side of highways, in the interstate highways, and appear in places previously unavailable, as demonstrated by this OOPS campaign. You can see that it could be anywhere, right? Many places. Right? Another place-based out-of-home media is aerial advertising. Outdoor advertising incorporating the use of airplanes, pulling banners, skywriting, writing in the sky, and blimps. It's not expensive and reaches specific target markets. Okay? Aerial advertising. In-store media. It reaches shoppers at the place where they buy, including in-store ads, L displays, store leaflets, shopping cart signage, in-store TVs. Okay, these are all in-store media. Okay. Transit, target people who are exposed to commercial transportation facilities, especially in large cities. People tend to commute, by public transportation. Okay. We don't do that here in Macon, but in large cities, many people do that. Okay. There's a renewed interest in the medium. People spending more time outdoors. The awareness and recall of the ad is very high. Okay. It's considered environmentally friendly. Because they're not using papers. Okay. They're not cutting trees. Okay. Transit advertising, different type of transit advertising. Mobile billboards, as painted on or mounted on the vehicle. The vehicle just drive around, keep driven around. Inside cars, placed above seats and luggage area inside public transportation vehicles. Outside posters, appear on sides, bags, and the roof of buses, taxis, trains, and subways, and trolley cars. Okay? Station, platform, and terminal posters. Okay? Floor displays, island showcases, and the electronic signs that appear in train or subway stations or airline terminals. Okay? Mobile billboards take interesting and unusual forms, as reflected in these examples. Here on the left is donkey. Right? You put an ad on donkey. A donkey promoting a local hotel. Interesting, huh? And then on the right is a truck promoting the Cirque du Soleil show Mystere. Okay, you can use that. Mm-hmm. I thought that the donkey one is pretty intriguing, huh? Fascinating. And transit, there are advantages of out-of-home advertising. Wide coverage of local markets, frequency, geographic flexibility, creativity-wise, ability to create awareness, okay, very efficient, very effective. Production capability is good, and timeliness is good. Okay. The disadvantage, sorry, how come it's not, sorry, I cannot go back. Sorry, I have skipped that. But on the slide, you'll see that. The disadvantage of outdoors, right? On transit, the advantage of transit advertising include exposure, frequency, and cost. And disadvantage of transit include the reach and the mood of the audience. The people are not in a good mood, they're not very receptive of the message, of course, right? Measurement of out-of-home media. There are companies doing that. Competitive media reports, their IMRI Siemens monitoring that. Point of purchase advertising international. Okay. Outdoor of Home Advertising Association America, OAAA. There's the American Public Transportation Association, APTA, to monitor and measure out-of-home media. Okay. Promotional products marketing. Okay. Promotional product marketing. Promotional media or methods that uses promotional products. Okay. Like ad specialties, premiums, business gifts, awards, prizes, and commemoratives. And these are all part of production. If you look at this one, this figure shows the sales by product category, and sales by product category of promotional media market. Wearables, the big one, wearables, apparel, accessories, drinkware, writing, travel, technology, automotive. You can see the popularities of using different category. Specialty advertising. Special advertising employs the imprinted, useful or decorative products for advertising, sales promotion, and motivational communication. Okay, and often distributed free of charge. Okay. For promotional product marketing, the advantages of that are the selectivity, flexibility, frequency, cost, goodwill, high recall, and supplementing other media. But the downsides are image saturation, lead time, and reach. Okay. And measurement in promotional product marketing, specialty advertising has no established ongoing audience measurement system. It doesn't have that yet, right? And studies show that the promotional products have a positive impact on brand image, brand impressions, and the purchase intention improves by adding promotional product to integrated media mix. Okay? Another form of non-traditional traditional support media is movie theaters, advertising in movie theaters. I'm sure you have seen some of them, right? And it's actually increasing quickly. And commercials before previews and film, okay? As in lobbies, at kiosks, on product packaging. Okay? In 2022, the revenue was $444 million. Okay? This one here, this Flaming Hot Doritos and Cheetos ad features sloth and other animals having a party. Okay? Shown in front before the movies, before previews and films. The movie theaters, to advertise in movie theaters, the advantages are exposures, okay, emotional attachment, cost, attention, clutter, proximity, segmentation, quality, and integration. Disadvantage, sometimes it could be irritational, right? And the cost is probably too high. Okay. Branded entertainment. What's branded entertainment? You blend marketing and entertainment through television, film, music, talent, and technology. Okay. You use entertainment media to gain consumers' attention and exposure to product and service and brands. Okay. Brand is woven. The brand is woven into storyline at high level integration. The branded entertainment. Okay. In branded entertainment, there are two different types. One is a product placement. You've seen those 007 movies with BMWs or Rolex watches in the movies. They are product placement. Okay, advertising within another program. Okay, a decade ago, majority of product placements were free, but not anymore. Today, paid product placement has reached the billions. Okay, and increasing steadily in both TV and film. Okay? Product integration. Yeah, another form is product placement integrated throughout the program content and or script. Right? Product integration. This one here, the Black Panther movie included a product integration with Lexus. They have Lexus there. Okay, you can see the logo, see the brand name, okay, easily, clearly. Okay. Branded entertainment. There is something called advertainment. Advertainment. They create video or music content to entertain users while advertising products. Sometimes it's called advert games. Yeah, there are advert games, online games to promote products. Yeah. You can use content sponsorship to do that. You can just ad-supported video on demand, VOD, and others. Okay, branded entertainment. Okay, advantages of branded entertainment include exposure, frequency is good, support for other media, source association, cost, recall, bypassing regulations, acceptance, and targeting. But disadvantages, high absolute cost. Okay, time of exposure may not be right, may have limited appeal, lack of control, public reaction may not be good, competition may be too strong, negative placements is bad, clutter is an issue. Okay, that's branded entertainment. Measurement of branded entertainment. How to measure branded entertainment? Okay. Nelson Media Research, that's that. Nelson Media Research. Brand Channel Product Placement Watch, that's that. ComScore, that's that. Benny Labs also perform that measurement on those branded entertainment. Okay. Guerrilla marketing. The non-traditional support media, another form is called guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is a non-traditional method of marketing. Okay. It's also known as stealth marketing, street marketing, buzz marketing, ambush marketing, and viral marketing. Okay, they go by different names, but all we normally call it the guerrilla marketing. Okay, and there are other miscellaneous media types. Okay? Branded phone calls. Okay, we receive branded phone calls. Okay, satellite billboards. Right? Parking lot ads on parking lot. Gas station pump ads, and gas station pumps. Right? Place-based media. This one, advertising on people's bodies, is becoming more common. Okay, more common. And miscellaneous other media, advantage of those, awareness and attention, cost efficiencies, targeting. Right? Disadvantage, irritation, wear out. Okay? This is an example when ads often appear in very strange places. You see this one here? In boxing game, the Mirror. See the Mirror? The ad, the British newspaper, actually have the ads at the bottom of this guy's shoes. Right? Only when this person fell will you be able to see the ad. So it's very, very strange places. You can have that. That's all I have for this chapter. Okay, thank you. I will talk to you next time. Goodbye.